Okay, today is Saturday, September the 2nd, 2023. I was out here fertilizing this morning, and this vine here, they're like dying off. We're supposed to, it's been cool this week, and so I only water twice. I think I'm gonna have to start watering more often. Look at that big watermelon. Can't hold my camera still. And this one here is still there. I think they say we're going to have a drought this week. It's going to be hot again. Not hot as it was, but before. Okay, I got a little one there. There's my big one. I don't think these things are going to get any bigger, actually. Tell you the truth, I really don't. Let me see if I can pull this up here. It's pretty heavy. I might go ahead and cut that one open. I haven't decided yet. I know it's kind of late in the year for them, but see what we got here. Don't see anything over here. Oh yeah, I see something here. I'll try and do it on the camera a different way, but it's so heavy, it won't work that way. I'll keep that on. We're not supposed to get any rain anyway. I think I'm going to start changing to water every 2 days. It's going to get so hot. Instead, twice a week. I think that's my best bet. Okay, no tomatoes there. Pepperoncini. Oh, here's a really super big one. That's a big one I grew so far. Look at that. That's a big one. This sage is getting on the way. I'm gonna go ahead and pick these. Oh, pulled the whole leaf off. Look at that, it had buds on it too. Oh well. Need to bring me some clippers. I keep telling myself that. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna start carrying me some clippers when I walk out here. I see a couple small jalapenos. Yes, today's Saturday. Since I fertilized today, I'll water Monday. Cucumber had it. We're not going to save the seeds from them. Didn't care for those, it was too much. These little bitty things here. They're not worth saving. Pull these off. Pull that one off. Pull these off here. Here's a grape tomato. You see the difference in sizes. Oh, there's another grape tomato. Looks like we're not getting too many more grape tomatoes. At least they're not bugging me now. forgetting got the bricks down here holding it down. Okay, look like we're going to have some more flowering here, some more buds on the jalapenos. Don't see no big ones yet. Somebody said that if you only water the jalapenos when they necessarily need water, not water them all the time, they'll be hotter. So I haven't tried that theory yet. Okay, put that down. Okay, look like we're not gonna pick too much today. Let's see what we got here. These are yellow peppers, jalapenos, they say. I got some more buds. I've been chopping these up and freezing them. Put them on my pizzas. They're not too big, but there's something. Okay. Sweet pepper. I'll keep them on a little bit longer. Oh, bell peppers. I'm gonna keep them on a little bit longer. See what happens. It actually seems like the bugs not bothering them as much anymore. And plus, if I see no splitting or nothing, we haven't had no rain though. But I've been picking them either before or after I water. And I think I'm gonna do it after I water. Pick them off right away. Do it on camera. Oh, there, look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna throw that at the bottom there. That's a good one. Let me see now. Hate to keep this at the bottom though. I just took a picture. Heck with it. Oh, I see one over there too. They're small. That's a funny looking one. Okay, they're good. Oh man, I think those are personal watermelons. I'm not sure how big they'll get. Oh, what I got down here. Yep, bug got that one too. You can see the bugs in it. Darn roly-polies. Thinking next year I'll put a bunch of ladybugs in my garden since I got a netting over them. Maybe I would keep them for a while before they fly away. Okay, well I was fertilizing. I noticed that my strawberries got some strawberries. I do have a pruner out here. That gangway kind of narrow. Okay. to be there. Can't make no sudden moves. Okay. Strawberry. I'll go ahead and pick that one. I will pick that one too. Oh, let's see. Yeah, he said this weekend's supposed to be hot. Starting this weekend and on into the week. Let's see what these are doing. No flowering. Sick looking. I don't know what to do about that. Leaves turning purple. Okay. Well, that's all I got for you today. Unless I decide to cut up that watermelon. Might do it in 2 days. That's all I got for you today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you like. And until next time. Thanks for watching.